Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove front door on Ford Fiesta. This one will be the Mk7, which will be the 6th generation from 2008 all the way until 2017. Stay with us, we're demonstrating on a 2015 ST, but the regular Fiesta will be the same as well. So if you need to remove front door, we'll show you how to do that. Let's go ahead and do it now. So you will need to open the hood guys, and after that what you're going to do, you will need to disconnect the battery. And first you disconnect the black cable, the negative, the ground. Okay, you always are supposed to do that. Okay, right there. We're gonna get it loose with a 10mm wrench. Pull it out. Okay, and after that we're going to disconnect the positive as well. This is the order that you remove them. When you put it together and you need to connect the battery, you need to install the positive first and then the negative, in reverse order. So it doesn't matter if it's front left or front right door, the procedure will be the same guys. We'll demonstrate on the front left now. What do you need to do? Okay, right here you have the wires for the door. Everything is right here, you can see. So what you need to do in this case, okay, let me turn the light on. You need to pull that rubber bushing off. Okay, all the way like that. Now you have two clips, one right here on top in the middle and one on bottom, and with a small screwdriver we're going to pull those so we can disconnect them. Okay, so the one on bottom I'm gonna hold it with the finger, the one on top I'm gonna help it with the screwdriver. Okay, and it will eventually come out. It's a little bit tight. Okay, one side is out. It needs to go up a little bit. It's not as easy as it seems guys, because it's very limited room right here. Okay, this one is out. Okay. I almost got this one as well. It's just still a little bit holding here, it's hard to... Okay, this one came loose as well. And on the bottom side, okay, you have two teeth. On top you have only one, in the middle. On the bottom you have two. That's why it took us a little bit more time. That's why it's good to watch the video before you take it apart guys, because you always have something unpredictable. Okay, and we have the wires here, which you can go ahead and disconnect now, or you can disconnect later. You decide when to do that. Okay, next right here guys, we have one bolt with a 10mm socket that we're going to remove. And this one is the one that prevents the door from closing when it's open. Okay, this is the bolt right there. Next, we have 4 bolts that we need to remove. One here, and 2 on the bottom as well. So what we're going to do, we'll do one on top, one on bottom with a 10mm wrench. That ratcheting wrench, it's really convenient. You can find more information in the description of the video and all the tools that we use guys. Okay, and we still haven't disconnected the wires. We're going to do it. Since it's 2 of us, one will be holding the door, the other one will disconnect them. That way it will be easier. Okay, we can go ahead and remove the 2 bolts now. The one on the bottom is still holding a little bit. Okay, you need to move the door a little bit, because now it's getting loose, so it's very important not to hit the fender. You have to have a person holding the door now, and we're gonna start on the top ones. Again, very important to have somebody holding the door in place. Okay, so I'm ready to hold the door, guys. And it's going to drop, so you have to hold it really good, so you don't put any tension on the wires. You can remove them before you remove the door, but it's not as easy. Okay, you have only two things that you need to squeeze in, push in, and pull the wire out. Oh, you guys, and the door is out. You can see, okay, on those right here, that's where you push in and you disconnect them. Okay guys, that's how you remove the front door on Ford Fiesta Mk7. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.